are going to tackle the Danish knot, which are these cute triangular knots here around our pond. For this stitch, you are going to want one strand of your cream, one strand of the yellow, and one strand of the medium green. This will give us a fun variegated color. To make our knot, we're going to bring our needle up at the top point of the triangle, pull our thread through so we feel it nice and flush with the back, and then we're going to bring our needle down at the bottom right corner of our triangle here, making a nice straight stitch. Next, we're going to bring our needle up in the left bottom corner of our triangle, and now we're going to slide our needle underneath that straight stitch and go above where our thread is coming out of the fabric. Gently tug so we have a nice straight line on the front. Now hold your thread down on the fabric and again slide your needle underneath that straight stitch again and go underneath where your needle is coming through the fabric, where your thread is coming through the fabric, and over your thread that is sitting on top of the fabric, and gently tug so you make a little loop. And then we want to bring our needle back down right on the other side of that loop in the bottom left hand corner. So to do that again, bring your needle up at the top point of your triangle, make a straight stitch down on the right side, bring your needle back up in the bottom left corner. Now slide your needle underneath that straight stitch and above where your thread is coming out of the fabric. Gently tug so we have a nice flat line on the front of our fabric. Hold your thread down on the front of the fabric towards that bottom left hand corner and slide your needle underneath that straight line again, sliding your needle under where the thread is coming out of the fabric and over the working thread. Gently tug here so we have a nice loop on the front of our fabric, and then bring your needle back down right on the outer edge of that loop there.